Hi, this is Jana with HSRA. Thank you for joining us for this module. It is about your startup business needs. Now, many of you may have already started a business and you're kind of reviewing this just to make sure that you have all of your bases covered. Those others of you may just be starting out. So we've taken a lot of our lessons learned as our own staging company many years ago, starting in 2002, as well as talking to other staging business professionals. Some of those early lessons learned. We do lots of events and we talk about this topic, but we're going to dive in a little deeper here for you. You're also going to be able to receive a resource that has a checklist for you so that you can check up, make sure that you have everything that you need. Now, this may not be a full and precise list for your state and your location, but it's a good basis to start out with just to make sure you're getting started properly. One is developing a business plan. Now, a business plan, you've probably heard about this if you have taken any kind of classes in college. You know, I know that we had to create a whole business plan, and you can look these up. Thank goodness for online. You can Google this and you can see other people's business plans. You can do even a template, and we have one here with HSRA as well. And just fill that in. You know, talk about the services, your pricing, how you're going to be marketing, what kind of clients you will be going after. It just gives the basics for you. And the reason you want this is it is a great guideline. Now, we have also done a module on the business blueprint, which is really an in-depth study of your business and a roadmap for where you are and where you're going. But the business plan is almost like this overview of anchoring you. It's the compass of your business. If you ever go get a loan from a bank, they will want to see your business plan. And so it may change a little bit here and there. Things will not change though, like your vision, your mission, your core values. Your business plan though may evolve as the business grows throughout the years. Another thing that you want is to select, of course, the name of your company. Now, we can do a whole session on this with color scheme, the naming, but what we really want to tell you is think of something that is simple, that's easy to remember, and that talks about what your business does. Model My Home, people can say, okay, well, your company models homes. They make it look like a model. Maybe it has the word staging in there. We would typically advise you not to have your personal name in it, because what happens when you want to sell the business or it grows beyond you and they want to know why you're not coming to the staging. So think about staying away from a named company that is a personal name and going to something more that talks about what your company does, and it's super easy that a third grader can understand it. So that is huge when you're talking about the naming of your company. We've had to work with companies that have been in business for many years and now have decided to rename and rebrand, and it gets a little tough. So when you can start off right, that is the best solution. We hope you've enjoyed this featured module. To gain access to the full resource and over 150 modules just like this, click the link below.